This is the Cool Widgets project. Elements that affected overall status. Scope creep was a big factor, as we almost missed a milestone when gathering information. There was just so much of it took so long to get through it. Unexpected timeframes. We currently are on schedule to hit every milestone. Our milestones have completed and on time as green status. We had some challenges to overcome, however we managed to hit our goals. These are the milestones we currently have completed. Materials gathered and final outline approved. Upcoming project is completed status. We are looking forward to that. Okay, in this next chart, you can see what we've accomplished. Everything's at 100% up to this period, and we're at 15% in our final phase.